Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and GLB 250 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Third row seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 1,758. With a push button ignition, Mercedes-Benz radio, backup camera, climate control, center console, and shifter. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.